Grass. All right, what is the story with grass? What is this all about? This is an interesting way to mine and farm tokens, basically by giving up extra bandwidth that you're not using. So you're basically allowing AI, computer systems, and machine learning to leverage your data that you're not using on your existing internet and Wi-Fi plans. And it is dead simple to set up. You do need to invite in order to access it and set the thing up. So there's a referral link somewhere around the description of this video here. And then it's pretty simple to download. It's basically like a plugin. So they have a Twitter page right here. They have a Discord right here. And as you can see on the website, they have some FAQs that should be good to check out. And what can you do with this stuff? Well, it depends. What is going to be worth? It depends. If you wanted to, up to you. The points that you accumulate, you could sell those points on this website here, whales.market. You could see an entire list of FriendTech and other platforms that people are selling points. And so grass is right here. At the moment of this video, this is what the price is worth here. And this is the trading volume. But it's totally up to you. You could farm these points, get these tokens, and keep them. Or you could sell them pre-sale for somebody that wants them. So is it worth it? It depends. It's up to you. If you have an extra laptop like I do, you're not really using it, you can let it farm for you and you can let it accumulate points. Who knows what that could be worth? Could be worth a lot. Might be worth a little. I don't know. But it's an easy way to invest in a project with no capital and a chance to accumulate a bunch of tokens pre-sale, pre-ICO. And you can find out more on their Twitter page and ask questions in Discord server. If you're interested in setting up this tool to farm for you, use my referral link somewhere around this video here to get started. Okay, taking a look at the Grass extension. I'm using Brave browser because it pays you in crypto and I prefer the privacy controls and it has a built-in VPN. But if you're using Google Chrome or another interface, I think it supports Safari or Opera perhaps, but I'm not sure exactly. I'm particularly using PC, so I'm going to the extension panel and there you're going to see the extension. You can click on this to verify your connection, show the quality, and then allow you to open the dashboard. It's going to show you immediately your earnings right here, and then when you open the dashboard, this is where all the information that's stored on, your daily points, your IP address, your connectivity, your referral links, things like that, bonuses. And then at some point in time, you're going to be able to connect to your phone here, but at the moment, you're just going to connect whatever IP address you're using. If you go to a hotel, you go to a different area with a different IP address, this may show up here. You may have to do some troubleshooting. I haven't done that too much. I tried to connect it at the health club one time. It seemed to work, but not really sure. And then the other thing you want to keep an eye out for is your rewards. And so if you go to the tier, you can see where you're at currently, what kind of bonuses are upcoming, and what to expect for the future based on your daily earnings and whatnot. So anyways, that's pretty much it. This Grass point system here is by referral invite only. So if you want to get started with this, there's a referral link in the description of this video and you can get started for yourself. Again, no initial investment, no capital is required, just an internet connection. And you're sharing your unused data. So how to get it, go to the Chrome Web Store and you're gonna go click on the verified account for the getgrass.io. And again, you're gonna need a referral link to download it and accept it. And that is gonna be in the comment section or the description of this video somewhere. The other thing that I wanna point out is that as far as privacy and security, which is something I do care about, I was able to read the web developers' privacy policy, and for me this was an important thing. So I see that there's not being sold to third parties, they're not selling or using your data outside of the approved use cases. There's more information here on the FAQs. You can go to the website, maybe ask them a question on X to find out for sure, but otherwise it seems like a legit project and they're not scraping or leveraging your data against you, and therefore that's why I'm using it. And if you want to use it too, again, link is in the description. So if you prefer to trade on your phone like I do from time to time, you want to have a good VPN, and I use these products personally. I wouldn't put them out there if I didn't believe in it strongly. The product works great. There's a ton of functionality and add-ons and bonuses. A lot of bonuses for malware blocking, jumping from different portals, ads tracker blocking, things like this. And you can also get plans that include encrypted email and private online storage. So consider visiting the link in my profile here for Proton email and VPN. I use it, it's great. If you like this content, please support the channel by clicking the like or subscribe button or leaving a comment to show that you're interested in videos like this on passive income, crypto, and I'll see you in the next video.